a point of discipline that we're going to need to discuss is this whole thing about whether you don't like somebody or not. Whether you like somebody isn't really a legitimate reason for you not to support a movement. If a movement or a leader is disciplined, principled, and they're getting things done, then the fact that you don't like them is secondary and immaterial. And so to be working against them because you don't like them is counter-revolutionary and borderline Fed behavior. So stop it. Adjust your behavior, grow, do better. Red power.